Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add password to Google Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can add your US password to Google Wallet as a digital ID pass. To do it, simply head over and open up your Google Wallet application. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the add to wallet option right here. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select ID option if available, or simply tap on transport pass, and then once you do that, simply tap on get started. Then what you need to do is scan password. Use your phone's camera to scan the information page of your password, the page with your photo, and open the back cover of the password and scan the embedded security chip using NFC. Then next is to record a video of your face for identity verification, and once done, simply tap on continue, and that's done. You'll receive a notification once your ID pass is verified and ready to use. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.